Look, I've hung the last banner. Dad will be so happy when he sees this.
It looks beautiful, Maya. He'll be home any minute now.
It's almost 5 p.m. Dad said he'd be home by now. Where is he? The airplane cake looks perfect. I hope he makes it in time to see it.
Don't worry, honey. Flight schedules can be unpredictable, but your father always keeps his promises.
I know, Mom. I just wanted everything to be perfect for his homecoming today. Every time I hear a car, my heart skips a beat. Is that him?
Take a deep breath. Why don't you check the balloons one more time?
You're right. Being busy is better than just waiting. It's time. He should be walking through that door any second now. I can't wait to see the look on his face. Oh, hi guys. Come on in. I thought you were. Well, come in. Happy birthday, Maya. Your decorations look amazing.
Thank you. I'm so glad you're here. Wow, an airplane cake. Did you design this? It's so cool.
I did. It's for Dad. He's a pilot.
Let's start the party. Where's the music? This is my favorite song.
Haha, careful. Don't trip over the balloons.
Enjoy yourselves, everyone. I'm so happy you could all make it.
So Maya, are you ready for the best birthday party of the year?
It already is. It's great to have you all here. Let's play some games. Who wants to start?
Me! Let's play charades. Deal! Everyone gather around!
This is gonna be so much fun.
Captain, a passenger is having a heart attack. It's critical. Notify the control tower. We need an emergency landing now. Mayday. Requesting emergency landing at the nearest military base. Runway in sight. Gear down. Everyone, brace for impact. Cleared for landing. Coming in now. Touchdown confirmed. Perfect landing, Captain. We're down. Stay calm, everyone. Medical team is on the way. Please let the passenger be okay. Please. Where is the patient? Move aside. This way, hurry! They're in professional hands now. I'm glad we made it in time. Do you think he'll make it, Captain? No service. Maya must be waiting for me. I'm so sorry, Princess. I did everything I could. Now, it's in better hands. I have to get this plane moved. I have to find a way to tell them I'm safe. Captain, you'll need to stay here for a statement. Regulations. I understand. Just... Is there any way to make a call? Hang in there. We're all fighting for something tonight. The medic radioed ahead. They're doing surgery now. Surgery. Please be strong. For your family, just like I'm trying to be strong for mine.
He's late. He promised he wouldn't miss it.
I'm sure he has a good reason, Maya. Let's wait just a little longer.
He forgot. He chose his flight over my birthday. I hate this. He's not coming. He really isn't coming. I thought this year would be different. I thought he cared. It's not a celebration anymore. Maybe I shouldn't have expected him to be here. I guess tonight is just not meant to be. I think I'm done waiting for tonight. Maybe he really couldn't make it. Hey, Maya! Come back, it's your turn to play.
Go ahead without me. I'm just tired.
Maya, sweetheart, are you okay? You look so sad.
I just really missed him, Mom. I thought maybe this year would be the year he could stay.
He's a pilot, Maya. Sometimes things happen that he can't control.
Excuses, Mom. Always excuses. I'm tired of being second best. Just take the cake away. I don't want to see it anymore.
Is everything okay? We should probably get going. It's getting late.
I'm sorry, everyone. Maya isn't feeling well. Thank you all for coming.
Happy birthday anyway, Maya. Feel better. So this is it. Another birthday alone.
I never thought he would forget me. I just wanted him to be here.
Is this Mrs. Smith? I'm the wife of the passenger your husband saved. He is a hero. Maya, do you hear that? Your father. He saved a man's life.
Mom, he didn't forget me. He was saving a life.
No, Maya. He chose to save a father, a husband, a person. He didn't abandon you, he performed a miracle.
A hero? My dad is a hero? I was so wrong. I was being selfish while he was being brave. I'm not angry anymore, Mom. I'm just so proud.
He saved someone's life. That is the best birthday gift ever.
He's coming home, isn't he? My hero is coming home. Love you, Dad. I'm sorry for doubting you. You are the greatest pilot in the world.
Maya, I am so sorry. I couldn't call it. I had to save a passenger.
Oh, sorry I was angry, Dad. You're my hero.
Welcome. Please come in. It's an honor to have you here.
The honor is ours, Captain. Thank you for giving my husband a second chance at life.
I owe you everything, Captain. You are truly a heroic man.
And this must be the birthday girl. We heard you missed your special day because of us. Happy birthday, Maya.
A small gift for the daughter of a hero.
Thank you so much. It's okay about the delay. I'm just happy he's safe.
Maya, being a pilot is my job, but being your father is my greatest sacrifice and my greatest joy.
It's perfect. Thank you. Dad, can we take a photo together?
Of course. Everyone, say hero. H-E-R-R-O.
This isn't just a birthday party, Dad. It's a celebration of life.
And we're all lucky to be here to celebrate it.
Thank you, Maya.
And thank you for understanding, my brave girl. And thank you for understanding, my brave girl.
Thank you for being the best pilot and the best dad ever.
This is the best birthday gift we could ever have.
Love is the greatest flight.